SalesRocks is just a few steps away. First, go to app.sales.rocks, then click on the Register button and enter your corporate email. Before you continue, please confirm that this is your email by opening your inbox, where a new email will be waiting for you. Open the email and finish verification by clicking on the Verify button. This will redirect you to the next step, where you'll need to enter your name, surname, mobile phone number, job title, and password. Note that your phone number is asked only for better security of your account and won't be used or saved for any other purposes. When done, click on Submit. As a next step, you will be asked to enter the 6-digit code that you have received on your mobile phone. Once filled in, click on Verify button to proceed. On our last stop, fill in basic company information such as name, size, industry, location, CRM, and your target audience. Click Finish Registration to complete your SalesRocks profile. Almost there. Log in with your newly created account to make this registration official. And voila, your registration is complete. Have fun!
When you're in the B2B world, time management is crucial for success. That's why we created an option that would save your time and make you happy. Instead of selecting manually each filter every time, just click on this button and save your selected filters, which you might use more often in the future. While saving your search filters, you can either replace an existing one or create a new search. You can also mark your search as a favorite one, so you'll always have it visible at the top of the Saved Filters page. This is where you can find all your saved filters. Before we continue on how to use them multiple times, we'd like to mention that you can always remove a search from the Favorites section, but it will remain in the All Searches table. If you'd like to permanently remove a search you won't need anymore, find the search by typing its name in the search bar, or find it manually, and click on the red bin button. Now back to the point. Whenever you need to use some of the filters again, just find the search you need, click on Details to check if it's the right one, then click Use Filters. And voila! You'll be redirected to the data search page of your chosen product, with all filters already set for you. Piece of cake, right? Have fun!
If you don't know where to start with SalesRocks, here is a short walkthrough. We have 4 main features: the company search, the contact search, the sales toolkit, and the CRM integrations. If you're looking for general company information, click on Company Search and find your targeted companies by setting all your preferences on our unique filtering system, such as the company location, their type of industry, or any other filter that you find as an important detail of your target, including the type of general company contact. Once done selecting, check how many companies are available according to your criteria. Then enter the amount of how many you need and save them to a newly created list. Afterwards, click on My List to open the saved companies and either unlock each company's profile or make an order for an Excel file. For both actions, your company search credits will be deducted. Once the file is ready, go to My Orders and click on Download. Before we continue, note that this is your credit board, where you can keep track of your credit balance. If your target is direct contact to certain decision makers, then use the contact search. This filtering system works the same way as the one in company search, with the main difference of being able to choose the job title, the location, and the type of direct contact to your prospect target. After selecting the filters, the process of finding, saving, and downloading the data is exactly the same as previously shown. Moving on to the Sales Toolkit, which contains the email verifier. This tool helps you check the working status of your email lists. And last but not least, the integrations field, where you can connect your CRM with the SalesRocks platform, map all the necessary fields, and transfer the previously found data. And voila! Now you know everything SalesRocks to start off on the right track. There's much more to come at SalesRocks, so hop on and stay tuned.